The 6G revolution. The future of wireless communication. Welcome to the future of wireless communication. The 6G revolution. Imagine a world where your devices anticipate your needs before you even act, where holographic calls replace video chats, and where AI-driven networks optimize themselves in real time. What if the internet was 100x faster? What if cyber threats became a thing of the past? What if technology could communicate directly with your brain? In this course, we'll uncover the science, technology, and future applications of 6G, the next frontier of wireless communication that will redefine how we connect, communicate, and live. Light bulb, get ready for mind-blowing insights, deep technical knowledge, and futuristic innovations. The 6G era is coming. Are you ready? Trailer. Why 6G will change the world. Objective 1. A cinematic introduction explaining the impact of 6G on future societies. 1. A fast-paced visual journey from 1G to 6G. 1. Questions for engagement. 1. What if your device could predict your needs before you act? 1. What if the internet was 100x faster and completely secure? Key engagements. Checkmark futuristic visuals, smart cities, holographic calls, AI-driven networks. Checkmark graphical evolution of networks, from 1G to 6G in 60 seconds. Checkmark, what's coming? Teaser, quantum networks, brain-machine interfaces. Module 1. The need for 6G, evolution of wireless networks, theoretical concepts. 1. Generations of mobile networks, from 1G, analog, to 5G, AI-driven. 1. Why is 6G necessary? Explosive data growth. 1. Limitations of 5G, latency, energy consumption, spectrum scarcity. 1. The need for terahertz communication and AI-driven optimization. 2. 6G vision, 2030 and beyond. Scientific theory. Checkmark Shannon's law. Limits of data transmission in 5G. Checkmark Nyquist rate and THZ spectrum. How 6G will enable ultra-high-speed data. Engagement elements. 1. Comparison charts. 5G versus 6G capabilities. 1. Animated explanation of spectrum limitations in 5G. Module 2 to 6G core technologies. What makes 6G special? Theoretical concepts. 1. Terahertz, THZ, communication. Operating in 0.1 to 10 terahertz bands. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, in networks, self-learning, self-optimizing infrastructure. 1. Quantum communication, the unbreakable encryption layer of 6G. 1. Holographic beamforming and reconfigurable intelligent surfaces, RIS. Scientific theory. Checkmark Freeze transmission equation, explaining THZ propagation and path loss. Checkmark machine learning in wireless. AI models like reinforcement learning optimizing networks. Checkmark quantum key distribution, QKD. Why 6G networks will be unhackable. Engagement elements. 1. Simulation of AI dynamically managing network traffic. 1. 3D animation of THZ waves propagating in the environment. Module 3. The science of 6G spectrum, breaking the frequency barrier, theoretical concepts. 1. Electromagnetic spectrum and 6G's place in it. 1. Challenges of THZ communication, path loss, material absorption, and power efficiency. 1. Metasurfaces and graphene antennas, the future of wireless hardware. Scientific theory. Checkmark Maxwell's equations and terahertz waves. Checkmark metamaterials. How materials can be engineered to enhance 6G signals. Engagement elements. 1. Live lab footage of THZ communication experiments. 1. Animated breakdown of spectrum bands from radio waves to THZ. Module 4. AI and ML in 6G, the rise of self-learning networks, theoretical concepts. 1. AI-driven resource allocation. Networks that optimize themselves. 1. Reinforcement learning in 6G security. Predicting and preventing cyber threats. 1. Edge computing and federated learning. AI-powered IoT and ultra-low latency. Scientific theory. Checkmark Markov decision processes, MDP, in 6G AI optimization. Checkmark neural networks in signal processing. How AI can optimize communication channels. Engagement elements. 1. Simulation. AI adjusting network parameters in real time. 1. Explainer. How federated learning secures user data. Module 5 to 6G network architecture. Beyond 5G infrastructure theoretical concepts. 1. Reconfigurable intelligent surfaces, RIS, controlling signal reflection dynamically. 1. Nanoscale communications. The potential for molecular and body-implanted devices. 1. Satellite-based 6G. Integration with CubeSats and LEO constellations. Scientific theory. Checkmark antenna array theory and beamforming. Checkmark space-time coding for 6G MIMO networks. Engagement elements. 1. Futuristic visualizations of smart antennas guiding signals. 1. Live footage of RIS experiments in research labs. Module 6. Quantum security in 6G. The end of cyber threats. Theoretical concepts. 1. Quantum key distribution, QKD. 1. Blockchain for 6G network security. 1. AI-driven cybersecurity models. Scientific theory. Checkmark Schrödinger equation and quantum encryption. Checkmark elliptic curve cryptography versus post-quantum cryptography. Engagement elements. 1. Explainer. How quantum encryption works. 1. Animated breakdown of AI detecting cyber threats in 6G. Module 7 to 6G applications, beyond smartphones theoretical concepts. 1. Brain-machine interfaces, BCI, direct thought-based communication. 1. Holographic telepresence, 3D virtual meetings in real time. 1. 6G and smart cities, AI-driven urban planning and automation. Scientific theory. Checkmark neural signal transmission and brain-computer interfaces. Checkmark Fourier optics and holography in wireless communication. Engagement elements. 1. Live footage of neural interfaces controlling digital devices. 1. Futuristic 3D simulations of holographic meetings. Module 8. Challenges and global efforts in 6G development theoretical concepts. 1. Standardization and regulatory challenges. 1. High infrastructure cost and deployment barriers. 1. Health concerns and THC radiation myths. Engagement elements. 1. Expert interviews with researchers on global 6G projects. Module 9. The global race for 6G, who's leading? Theoretical concepts. 1. Top countries and companies researching 6G. 1. China versus USA versus Europe, the 6G race. 1. Major 6G research labs and institutions. Engagement elements. 1. Infographic. Global investment in 6G research. Module 10. What comes after 6G? Theoretical concepts. 1. The future of wireless beyond 6G. 1. Can we achieve direct mind-to-mind communication? 1. The role of space-based internet in future communication. Engagement elements. 1. Discussion panel with futurists and scientists. Final thought. 6G is more than just speed. It's the foundation of a hyper-connected, AI-powered society. Share your thoughts about this course in the comment box. See you in the next